this morning, first thing in my mind is the melody of your laugh. So gentle and kind, you turn my gray skies, then they turn to blue. Every day with you now blessing, yes I know it's true. You see the real me, no before facade. You they give me peace, you they make me feel God. I know fit to explain this feeling way I get, but my soul don't find home, and I never forget. So I no go fit to imagine my life. If you ever decide, say you go disappear. Even for my dreams, you did there by my side. Baby, no shaking. So I did thank the Lord. Oh yeah. Every day, every night for the gift of your love. Your love. So I did thank the Lord. I don't see heaven for your eyes, my beloved. Every night for the gift of your love, your love. So I did thank the Lord. I don't see heaven for your eyes, my beloved. Even when I fall, you never look away. You did lift my head, you did show me the way. You believe for me when my own belief don't tire. You did fan my fire, you did take me higher. You're my morning light, you're my evening star. You dey heal my scars no matter how far. This journey we take, now together we go. From this life go to the next, just make you know. So I no go fit to imagine my life. If you ever decide, say you go disappear. Even for my dreams, you dey there by my side. Baby, no shaking. So I dey thank the Lord. Oh yeah. Every day, every night for the gift of your love. Your love. So I did thank the Lord. I don't see heaven for your eyes, my beloved. You're my morning, my everything. You're my evening, my queen, my king. You're the answer to every question. You hold my heart, you're my blessing. So I did thank the Lord. Every day, every night for the gift of your love. Your love. Oh, I did thank the Lord. I don't see heaven for your eyes, my beloved.